A very good morning, dear friends. Once again, I welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. Dear friends, this is our episode number 32. This will cover the human body, the layer L1, and it is coming under the concept series for the world. This is our legal disclaimer. Kindly read it once if you haven't read it. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episode and the playlist on the Corona and COVID-19 series, and also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Dear friends, welcome in the concept series, welcome in a new world. These are the summary of the concept which we have covered in the episode number 27, 28, 29, 30, and the last episode, episode number 31. In episode number 31, we have discussed about the concept number 16. L0 or the material layer must not control you. This means this is the lowest possible layer, L0 or the layer 0. This is called as a material layer, and this must not control you at all. And what is the meaning of the you? Layer 1, your body. Layer 3, your mind. Layer 6, your heart. And layer 7, your soul. In nutshell, dear friends, we have given a picturization of the human existence. L0 is the material which is outside our body. L1 to L7 are inside our body, which is called as a human body, human mind, L3, human heart, L6, and the human soul as a L7. And the other persons also have the same layers inside their existence, and that will be the L1 to L7. In nutshell or the summary, you can see it. And dear friends, we have just picturized the particular layers. These are the concentric circles whose center is only 1, and L0 to L7 it is coming as a concentric circles, and outside these layers there is infinity outer world is there, which is comprising of the others. It may be of the animal, it may be of the nature, but that is the infinity outer world. And this is the L0, L1, L3, L6 and L7. This is our own human existence, and we are discussing each layer one by one, although all the circles are concentric one, layered one. Dear friends, in last episode we have discussed about the L0 or the materialistic layer. Now in this particular episode and in the next episode we will discuss about the human body in very brief. Let's start our journey to the mountains. We know many things about it. We know many things about our human body. And thank you to allopathy or the medical science of today. Dear friends, as we know that the medical science of today know about human body, like diabetes is due to some particular organ, brain hemorrhage is due to something else, like it has reached its peak. But it is not there that the ancient civilization was unaware about the body. The ancient people know more about the energy and the deeper layers. They were very powerful, very pioneer in the terms of the energy or the body electricity, and they were very much knower about the deeper layers. And what are the deeper layers? L3, our mind or brain, L6, our heart, and the L7, our soul. Now, with the help of the medical science, we also know many things about the human body and its functioning. What is the disease? What is the cause of that disease? And what is the organ which will be affected by that particular disease? Due to today's medical science, we are knowing about it. But due to ignorance of our complete human system, repeating, due to ignorance of our complete human system, we in this scientific age are masters in the lower layers only. What are the lower layers? Only the L0 and L1. Complete mankind is playing with the economy, that is the L0 in the totality. Complete mankind, medical science is playing with the body, L1, that's enough. After that, the human brain is there. Although there are the methods by which the medical science has reached able to know about the mind, but it is very low in comparison to the in compared to the knowledge of the ancient world, ancient civilization, just like the Egyptian culture, Sindhu Valley civilization, the Middle East civilization, or the Mayan civilization of the South America. And you can easily see the map of the ancient civilization of the old world. All the civilization are saying same thing which we are going to discuss in our own way, so that our humanity can rise. Dear friends, as per the medical science, human body is extremely explored by the allopathy. Even till the DNA level, stem cell level. Still, many diseases are there like the corona, COVID-19, and nowadays, on today, 3rd January 2021, we are facing COVID-20 with the new strain. The UK is going on the lockdown due to this new COVID-20. That's why, dear friends, the diseases are going very much in our human existence on our planet Earth. Then what is the reason? And these pandemics are emerging very frequently. Sometimes the SARS is coming, sometimes the MERS is coming, sometimes the corona is coming, sometimes the corona with new strain is coming. What is happening, my dear friends? That's why firmly we can say something is seriously wrong. Yes, something is seriously wrong with our mankind. Hence, we need to clear all our concept of the spiritual science series so that we can learn about these concepts and live accordingly. Dear friends, in the last slide we have discussed about the view of the medical science. Now, what the religions are saying, the world religions also saying same thing. The God has gifted human his own shape. Whatever is the shape of the God is there, the same shape of the human is also there. And it is the 1 by 8.4 million possibility. If there are the 8.4 million creatures are there in the planet Earth or in the cosmos, then humanity or the human body is 1 by 8.4 million. It is one out of these million of the existence. That's why we can say we are fortunate humans, and that's why we have to harness every opportunity given by the God. Dear friends, we have discussed about the science, we have discussed about the religions. Now, as per our spiritualism, which is common for all the persons, whatever is the gender, whatever is the nation, whatever is the continent, whatever is the race, whatever is your color, whatever is your gender, that is a spiritualism. And as per our spiritualism, the human body is bridge from the lower layer to higher layers. What are the lower layers? L0, L1. What are the higher layers? L6, L7. The human body is the bridge from the lower layer to the higher layers. Hence, extremely important and very much useful for us, for our journey, next journey, our humanity journey. Dear friends, now we will very briefly see the details of our human body system. We all the humans know almost all the things, and I know that you know everything even better than myself, but we can at least discuss one slide on it. We have the circulatory system in our body, we have the nervous system in our body, we have the respiratory system, digestive system, skeleton system, and finally the muscular system. as our body. Every human body is useful and very important, whatever is the gender, color, orientation or the religion, etc. Differences of the human are very minor. Repeating, differences of the human are very minor and similarities of the human are almost infinity. Dear friends, that's why we have to think about similarities so that we can create the harmony among the humans, and we should not see the differences of our human existence or our humans. And for example, we take a example of the gender. The both male and the female have the 22 pairs of same chromosome. Only the 23rd pair of the chromosome is the deciding factor of the gender. If it is the XX, it means body will be female body, and if it is the XY, this means the body will be of the male. What is the meaning of that? 01 by 23, this means nearly 4% differences are there. Only 4% differences are there, and 96% similarities are there in between the male and female. That's it. For example, color. If we are talking about the color, only skin layer differences are there. If we peel our skin, after that same skeleton is there, same organs will be there. That's why, dear friends, differences are very minor and similarities are almost infinity. And let us do the SWOT analysis of the human body in the brief. And what is the SWOT analysis? This is a managerial tool to assess anything. S means strength, W weaknesses, opportunities, O, and the T means the threats. That's why we will discuss the strength, weaknesses, opportunities and the threat of the human body. Dear friends, now let us discuss the human body strength. It is a perfect machine. Repeating, it's a machine, a perfect machine. It's a very reliable machine. It's a very simple machine as per the spirituality. And I am very correct on myself that I am talking in terms of the machine, because body is just like a machine. It's a very simple machine as per the spirituality also. It's a very complex machine as per the science. Repeating, it's a very complex machine as per the science. Even the computer and the best artificial intelligence cannot reach its level. We very well know about it. The level of the human brain and the level of the supercomputers. Sometimes supercomputer beat us, but there are the humans which can beat supercomputers and the artificial intelligence. That's why the today's science is still to do many works to reach up to the level of the human brain. And dear friends, it's a bridge from the minus infinity to plus infinity journey. That is the journey of our humanity, the journey of our human existence. As per the ancient civilization, the medical science, its durability is of the 100 years, almost 100 years. Our ancient, like the ancient Jew, ancient Hindus, ancient Greek god or goddess, their time or their lifespan was something more than in comparison to the us. It is also mentioned in the Bible also. But in today's world, we can say that the 100-year durability is there for this machine if we are taking care of it wisely. And if we are not taking care of it, then the rest of piece will be sung slightly earlier. And it only asks for the food, water and the air. Hence, GIGO is applicable like the computer. Dear friends, I am saying it machine and machine. Okay? Perfect machine, reliable machine, simple machine. So if it is a machine, then the machine principles also should be worked on it. And that's why we are saying firmly, GIGO or the garbage in, garbage out, good in, good out is working on it, just like the computers. If the garbage will be in, garbage will be out from the machine. If the good will be in the machine, good will be out from the machine. Now the choice is of yours. Dear friends, we have discussed about the human body strengths. Now these are the human body weaknesses, and sometimes the same thing may be the strength also, same thing may be the weaknesses also. Like if I am taking the food up to a optimum level, it is very good for me. But if I am taking a food very much, then it will be something fatter. That's why that will be the weaknesses. Now let us discuss the weaknesses of the human body. As per the ancient civilization, medical science, that can be termed as Ayurveda or our ancient anything which you know, 100-year durability of this human body machine. And the human always not want to be die. Hardly any of the person will be there who want to die. Very few and very few. Nobody want to die. Nobody want to be sick, but it happens as per the natural laws. We cannot beyond or cross the natural laws if we are a normal human. But after some stages of the humans, we can cross the nature also. And in the Buddhism religion, Lord Buddha seen a old man, he had seen a sick man, he had seen a dead man, and taken U-turn in his life toward the spirituality. Because this sickness, this deadliness, sorrow is in everybody's life. It is in you, it is in me, it was there, it will be there. That's why we humans cannot get rid of it. Dear friends, the Lord Buddha immediately taken the U-turn in his life by seeing the sick man, dead man, and old man. And dear friends, one more weakness of our human body, it needs food, water, air, and the sleep in a very regular interval. If you will break the interval, if you are not regular, then your machine will be corrupt, your machine will be polluted. That's why it will create the hurdle for your journey, for your life. And dear friends, if we will not take the food, water, air and the sleep in the regular interval, the rest in peace will be slightly early. And this human body's only obstacle as per the spirituality and only opportunity as per the spirituality. We will discuss it in our coming episodes. Dear friends, these are the human body opportunities. We have discussed the strength, we have discussed the weaknesses. Now we will discuss about the opportunities and the threats in our coming slides. And opportunities, this is the only obstacle and only opportunity as per spirituality. We have to explore the great opportunity hidden in the human body in our episodes. Just like in the Corona series or the COVID-19 series you have seen on our channel, by very simple techniques, very simple logical techniques, we were able to cure the corona. If you have done it, if you haven't done it, even the God cannot help of you. Just wait for the vaccine of the allopathy. It may be work, it may not work, strain may be change, anything may be there. But if you will take the help of that corona series, then certainly I am very sure you will be get rid of the corona. And these are the potential and the opportunity hidden in our human body. This is the 1 by 8.4 million type of the creature. It is the only body with power of doing. The animals are very inferior comparatively to the humans. Deities are also whatever good they have done, they are just getting fed by that particular good. But we have the opportunity to create new good, or we have the opportunity to create new bad also. So dear friends, this is the human body which have the power of doing. Doing may be of the good, doing may be of the bad. And dear friends, if we are able to control our human body, the miracles are also possible as per the nature, which we are used to read in the fairy tales, in the ancient books, etc. Like Jesus Christ were able to walk on the uh, water. They were able to heal them some sick persons. That's why, but because they were of very higher level existence, and we are discussing the same thing, same principles of our human existence. And dear friends, whether I am right or wrong, whether miracles happens or not, let us see in examples. You know about the starfish of the sea in the ocean. The starfish has some quality. If you cut their one limb, the nature or its body create a new limb for that starfish, and this is the miracle of the nature. Let us see it in a small video. Dear friends, kindly see the video number 1 on the starfish limb generation. Kindly see the description. We have taken this method to avoid the YouTube strikes. And in my in my mentality, if we are not, if we are using something, some video, then that's not should be a problem, because if the human is inventing the car today, it is not inventing the wheel, it is not inventing the metallurgy of the car nowadays. It is just taking a granted of the wheel, it is just taking a granted of the metal and creating a new car. The same thing we are doing. We are taking the help of the other videos, because it is not possible for us to create each and everything in our limited time, and time is very limited. That's why we are taking the help of the other YouTube video in this particular method. And I believe that you have seen the video. Kindly wait and watch. Dear friends, I believe that you have seen the starfish limb generation video, and you can easily see that how much potential are there in the body. The nature, if the nature is helping the starfish in the limb generation, why not it can help the humans? That's a very big question. The nature is same for all the thing, all the persons, all the entities, all the animals, and all the flora and the fauna of this planet Earth. And one more example are there. Bruce Lee body power. You can easily see that Bruce Lee is doing the push-up on just 2 fingers. Yes, they have the capability to do like that because they have developed their body like that. And these are the opportunity which a normal human is to get. And what is the method? Energy cafeteria theory. Pay the energy and get the facilities. And we will discuss it in the very broad manner in our energy series, in our energy episodes. But in the nature, if you are paying the in terms of the energy, body electricity, chi energy, then certainly you can reap the crop of the facilities. That's are calling as a miracles. Some are able to do it, some are not able to do it, and some do not want to do it. And dear friends, human body threats are there. We have discussed about the strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and there are some threats of our human body. We are highly unaware about human body concepts, hence feeling sickness. Repeating, we are highly unaware about the human body concepts, that's why we are feeling sick again and again. Anytime a pandemic comes and that is creating the problem for whole of the humanity. This should not be the case. And to cure the sickness, we have to acquire the energy, and that then we have to use the energy for our own benefit. And we will do discuss in the detail in our uh, health concepts, which will be after soul concept. And dear friends, one of the threat is one shot by others, and rest in the peace will be slightly earlier. I want to be live, I want to be alive, but if you shoot me, you know, rest in the peace will be slightly earlier. Although I have to go one day, but it will be slightly earlier. And madness of the human mind is touching towards the infinity. I can firmly say that our human mind stupidity and the human mind madness is touching toward the infinity. It is harming us as well as it is harming self and the others. That's why it is making Messiah after crucifixion. It's a very bitter truth. Yes, my dear friends, it's a very bitter truth. I know. I may have touched a very painful thing of many and a billion of the people. But yes, we are making the Messiah after crucifixion. And that's why it's a very wrong for our humanity. We are touching towards the infinity in terms of the madness. Sometime the Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi of the India is shot dead. Sometime Lincoln is shot dead. Sometime the Kennedy is assassinated, and sometime someone is poisoned by the nation or the nation's government. You know many things. I know also many things, and that's very bad. And as per the law of the cause and effect, we have to have pay for it. It may be of the civilization as a whole. Sometimes there are many methods with the nature. I believe this time we will help the Messiah before crucifixion. And dear friends, the human body threats are one self shot or the suicide, and all the opportunity ends. If my human body has gone, rest in peace. We will be just like the rest of the 8.4 million species, because human body is very precious. Rest all the things are very same. It may be of the deity, it is reaping its crop of the good. It may be of the Satan, it is reaping its crop of the bad. That's why, dear friends, we should prevent our madness of our mind, so that neither we can harm ourselves nor we harm to the other people. And dear friends, the spiritual science concepts are to bring the Eden Garden on this planet Earth. This is to create or to make the Eden Garden, so that our planet Earth can be a worth living. And I believe that we will be successful to create Eden Garden on our planet Earth. Dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better. Concept series episode for the world will be continued. At last, the positive powers will win in the Armageddon, and between the positive and negative powers, at last the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden Garden. At last, we will be in peace, and the Eden Garden of the people, by the people, and for the people. Let's go together. and this time the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic. It will touch the land just like the Noah's Ark to the ground. Dear friends, it is the individual choice to follow the deity, positive, white or the godly energy versus the demonic, negative, black or the satanic energy. It's completely of your choice whether you are with Christ or with Antichrist, whether you want to go to the heaven or to the hell. It is completely of your own choice. Kindly choose wisely. Dear friends, if there are any kind of the questions, doubt, feedback, suggestion or critique are there, that can be sent at the davi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago, or you may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. I am always with you, always here for to help you regarding anything under this sky. You can ask anything, any question of any dimension. Whatever you like, you can ask, my dear friends. Thank you very much, dear friends, for watching. Happy times and good day, dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you.